Hi, today I have Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Our first step to do that is swipe out the screen and go to the settings application. In it, first function connections and their data usage. As you can see there we have our mobile data limit to set, we can click that. And there we have in the first step start billing size on maybe first day or second or which day you need. When our mobile data limit starts, maybe first day of each month, there we can buy the switch turn on, turn off, set data warming, and we can set it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you need. We set maybe 5 gigabytes. And there we must turn on set data limits and we can custom it in gigabytes, megabyte also. We can set 10 gigabytes for example. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.